This is mod 3 for the wide leg QL stretch. Starting with those legs in a V position, opening those legs as wide as you can, making sure that it feels safe into the inner thighs and up into the groin. Dorsal flexion of the feet, maybe the knees are pressing down into the floor. Reaching the arms out shoulder height, stabilize through the shoulder girdle first. So draw the shoulders down and back. Reach those palms up towards the ceiling. And now rotate on the axis of the spine. So start to twist towards the left. Trying not to twist with a rounded spine. Keep lifting, twisting, making sure you're not twisting into that lower back. Once you've hit your full range of motion, bend your right elbow. Place the right elbow on the inside of that right leg. The hand will come to the floor. From here, placing the left fingertips behind the ear, lift up out of the lower back, big inhale, and then exhale, opening the chest up towards the ceiling. Your eyes are just gazing past that left shoulder, making sure that you're just feeling a stretch, no pulling in or around the lower back. Try not to let that left hip come up off the floor. Keep anchoring that left hip down to find the proper stretch into the QL, Quadratus Lumborum, around the lower back. To come out, squeeze the lower belly in, protect the lower spine, come back up through to neutral, release the arms, breathe, and make sure you do the other side.